Hello there.
Hi. Well, we're very excited, aren't we?
Yes, thanks to you guys, we've reached the figure of 1,000 subscribers. We're just over that now.
Yeah, we're so
really pleased about that.
Yeah, thank you so much. We felt we just had to make this little vlog as an extra, just to say a big thank you to you, actually. We couldn't have done it without you. You've been awesome. You know who you are. You wonderful subscribers who've encouraged us and given us some nice comments and feedback and help and support with what we're trying to do. Also our fellow YouTubers, they're a brilliant bunch, aren't they? Other people who are doing the same as us out there, who always have some wonderful advice and have kept us going as well. So we just can't believe we've reached 1,000.
Yeah, we never thought we would, did we?
No.
It was quite a landmark when we got to 100,
100,
wasn't it?
and we thought, oh, that's good. We were really excited about that. And then 500. And now to be at 1,000 just seems unbelievable. We're so excited and really pleased, and can't thank you enough. So thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.